Depositing a check at a PNC Bank ATM is a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances. To get started, make sure you have a PNC Bank account and a valid PNC Bank debit card or ATM card. First, locate a PNC Bank ATM near you by using the PNC Bank website or mobile app. Once you find an ATM, insert your card and enter your PIN to access the main menu. Select the deposit option and choose the account where you want to deposit the check. Next, endorse the check by signing your name on the back of the check. This is an important step as it verifies that you are the account holder and authorizes the deposit. Now, insert the check into the ATM deposit slot. The ATM will guide you through the process and prompt you to enter the check amount. Verify that the amount is correct and confirm the deposit. The ATM will then scan the check and verify the information. If everything is in order, the ATM will accept the deposit and provide you with a receipt. Make sure to take the receipt as it serves as proof of the deposit. After completing the deposit, review your account balance to ensure the funds are available. Keep in mind that some checks may be subject to a hold, which means the funds will not be available immediately. To avoid any issues, make sure the check is properly endorsed and the ATM is working correctly. It is also a good idea to keep the check until the funds are available in your account. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check at a PNC Bank ATM. Remember to always review your account activity and verify the deposit to ensure everything is in order. Depositing a check at a PNC Bank ATM is a quick and convenient way to manage your finances. And with these steps, you can do it with confidence.